Welcome students in session number 4 of chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. In this session we should start to solve the question number 2, because in our previous session number 3 we solved the question number 1 of this exercise. So let us come on the question number 2. In this question, solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. It means we should solve the question. We should solve the pair of linear equations and we'll get the value of x and y. It's clear? And hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. First we should find the value of variable x and y by that pair of linear equations using substitution method. And when we should get the value of x and y, we should find the value of y is equal to mx plus 3. We should find the value of m using y is equal to mx plus 3. And how we can get? Here are three variables in this equation: y, m and x. This is the unknown value. It means three variables, and we should get the value of y and x by solving that pair of linear equation. Then we should substitute the value of y and x in this given equation and we'll get the value of m. Okay, so let us come on how to solve this problem, but very interesting and very easy also. Clear? So the linear equation in this question, 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Mark it, linear equation number 1. And second is 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. There is 2 as a common factor, so just divide the entire equations by 2 and simplify it. When you should divide the entire equation by 2, then 2x upon 2, it means x, 2 to the 4, it means minus 2y is equal to minus 2 1 the 2 and 2 to the 4, it means minus 12. So we should give the linear equation number 2. Clear? Now using the substitution method, get the value of x or value of y from any of equations. Now this time we are getting the value of x here. Okay, so let us take not only always you should get the value of y, sometimes you should get the value of x also. Okay, मतलब कभी कभी हम x की भी वैल्यू निकालें, कंपलसरी नहीं कि y की ही वैल्यू परमानेंट निकालें. ओके, सो by using the equation number 2, x is equal to minus 12 plus 2y. How? We shift the one variable, complete one term with with variable in the RHS side. So x is equal to minus 12 plus 2y. Okay, now what we will do? Substitute the value of x in linear equation 1. Because we are getting the x from the linear equation number 2, so we should substitute the value of x in linear equation number 1. So linear equation number 1 is 2x, and what is the value of x here? Minus 12 plus 2y minus 12 plus 2y, and next term is there plus 3y is equal to 11, it's clear. Now when we should substitute the value of x, if x is there, we should write the value in bracket also, otherwise you can make some confusion by multiplying the coefficient. Okay, so multiply by 2 in this term, minus 24, 2 4 ja 12 2 ja 24, and minus is there, so minus 24, 2 2 ja 4, 4y plus 3y is equal to 11. Clear? So 4y plus 3y 7y, and we should shift the constant term in the RHS side. 11 plus 24, 11 plus 24, what will be a 35. So y is equal to 35 upon 7, 7 1 ja 7 and 7 5 ja 35. So value of y is here 5. Now we should get the value of x. Now put the value of y in linear equation number 1 or in linear equation number 2. If we are putting the value of in linear equation number 2, we already get the value of x is here minus 12 plus 2y, so putting or substituting the value of y in x is equal to minus 12 plus 2y. So x is equal to minus 12 plus 2 into y. What is the value of y is here? 5. So x is equal to minus 12 plus 2 5 are 10. The value is there minus 2. It means we got the value of x and y here. Value of y is here 5 and value of x is here minus 2. Now what is to be solved here? In this question we should find the value of m. For y is equal to mx plus 3. For y is equal to mx plus 3. So let us take and get the value of m. Okay, so here y is equal to mx plus 3. What is the value of y here? 5 is equal to m into what is the value of x? We got value of x minus 2. ये 5 और minus 2 कहाँ से लिख रहे समझ रहे हैं ना? Because we solved the pair of linear equations and got the value of y 5 and got the value of x is minus 2. Okay, here plus 3. Now 5 is equal to m into minus 2, so minus 2m plus 3. So transpose, or you should shift like that. 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2m. When you should shift the constant term in one side and variable term in another side, so that will be the 2 is equal to minus 2m. Okay, and like that 2m is equal to 2. Okay, so m is equal to 2 upon 2, because 2 here in the multiply form, and when we should shift is another side, that will be in the divided form. Okay, so 2 1 ja 2, so m is equal to 1. It means what will be the value of m here? The value of m is here 1. Okay, let us come on question number 3 of this exercise. Under question number 3, form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solutions by using the substitution method. It means there are given the word problems. That word problems based on your daily routines, and by using that word problems we should form the pair of linear equation. We should form the pair of linear equations using the word problems, and we should get the pair of linear equations, then we solve them. Okay, so let us come on very simple questions of question number 3. First of question number 3, what is there? The difference between two numbers. The difference between two numbers is 26. The difference between two numbers is 26, and one number is 3 times the other. The one number is 3 times the other. Find them. अब आपको इस क्वेश्चन में समझना है, दो नंबर है और दोनों नंबर के बीच का डिफरेंस 26 है, और उनमें से एक नंबर दूसरे नंबर की 3 टाइम्स है. ओके, सो एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर एक्सरसाइज we are getting the solution of a pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations in two variables. So let us take two unknown variables. Let us take two unknown variables. The difference between two numbers is 26. It means हम दो unknown number ले लेते हैं क्योंकि नंबर तो हमें पता नहीं है. Let us take the numbers b, x and y. The numbers b, x and y, and where x greater than y, x greater than y. So according to the first situation of the question, difference between them, it means x minus y will be the 26. It's clear? X minus y will be the 26. And now in the second situation of the question, one number is 3 times the other. One number is x and second is y, and one number x is the 3 times of the y. So x is equal to 3y. X is equal to 3y. So let me start our solution here. So first of question number 3, let the two numbers b x and y. Okay, where x greater than y. Why that condition should be applied here? Because difference between them is 26. So according to question, x minus y is equal to 26, because difference between them, x minus y, is equal to 26. And according to second situation of the question, one number it means x, one number is 3 times of other. One number is 3 times of other. It means x is equal to 3 times of second number. It means y. X is equal to 3y. Okay. In this situation, you are getting the linear equation number 1, that is the linear equation number 2. It's clear? And we have already the value of one variable here, x is equal to 3y. So we should substitute the value of x in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is here, x minus y is equal to 26. And what is the value of x? X is equal to 3y. So 3y minus y is equal to 26, because in place of x we substituted the value of x is 3y. So 3y minus y is equal to 26. When you subtracted it, 2y is equal to 26 and y is equal to 26 upon 2. It means 13. Clear? Value of y is here 13. Now y is equal to 13. Put the value of y is equal to 13 in equation number 2. In equation number 2. So x is equal to 3y. What is this? Equation number 2. X is equal to 3y. So x is equal to 3 into value of y is here 13. That will be the 13 3 ja 39. 13 3 ja 39. X is equal to 39. Clear? It means we got the two numbers. Y is equal to 13 and x is equal to 39. And suppose that you want to verify your number is correct or not, get the difference of two numbers according to question. Get the difference of two numbers. Difference of two numbers, just check it. 39 minus 30. This is first number, this is second number, and difference of that two numbers are 26 is given there. So 26 is coming here or not, just check it. 6 and 8, 26. It means your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. And first number is 3 times of the third. Second. First number is 3 times of the second. Suppose that you can see one number is 13 and second number is 3 times of it. 13 3 ja 39. Okay, it means your answer is correct. It is the just a rough work for verify the answer. Okay, it means your answer is correct, and according to this you should solve in this manner. Clear? Now for your practice work I will assign one more questions. Second of question number 3. The larger of two supplementary angles. Oh, very excellent question. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. First you should know what is the supplementary angles. The supplementary angles, the pair of angles which sum is 180 degree. Which sum is 80 degree. 180 degree. मतलब supplementary angle उन एंगल्स को कहते हैं जिनका सम, ऐसे पेयर को कहते हैं जिनका सम कितना हो 180 डिग्री हो. मान लीजिए x और y टू सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल है. x और y टू सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल है. देन x प्लस वाई विल बी 180 डिग्री. बिकॉज सम ऑफ टू एंगल्स will be 180 degree, then you should consider them as a supplementary angle. Okay, let the two angles be x and y. According to question, they are the supplementary angle. So you should write x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now come on the situation of questions. The larger of two supplementary angle exceed the smaller by 18 degree. अब इनमें से आप ले लीजिए, let x is the larger angle. x is the larger angle. It means x greater than y. और larger angle smaller angle से कितना अधिक है 18 डिग्री अधिक है. So x is equal to y plus 18. x is equal to y plus 18. It means you got the two linear equations. Now you should solve it. Okay. In spite of this, if you are facing any problems to solve this question, ask me. I will resolve your query. Okay. Thank you.